This video is about include and require in PHP. PHP allows you to include file so that a page content can be reused many times. There are two ways to include file in PHP: include and require. The advantage is code reusability. By the help of include and require construct, we can reuse HTML code or PHP script in many PHP scripts. Include and require. PHP include is used to include file on the basis of given path. You may use relative or absolute path of the file. PHP require is similar to include. Require is identical to include except upon failure. It will also produce a fatal ecompile error level error. In other words, it will halt the script, whereas include only emits a warning which allows the script to continue. Now let's see the hands-on for include and require. A PHP include is used to include file on the basis of a given path. So let's see the simple PHP include example. So first we have to make a .html file with some links in it. So let's start. href, that is anchor tag, equals to http, this is the link, and here the end tag and another link. So I'm giving some links here. Okay, so this is the HTML file with some links. Now let's save this and let's name this as menu.html. Save this. Now let's make a PHP file. So PHP include, and I'm including my menu.html file here in PHP file. Okay, and let's end this and let's give a heading. This is main page, and let's end this heading tag. Okay, now let's save this and let's name it as include1.php. okay, save this. Now let's see what will be the result. Localhost / include1.php. okay, so this is our result. So you can see here we have some links on the PHP file. So if I click on that, you can see that it is redirecting to a particular link, that is this one. Okay, we have other links as PHP, Java and HTML, so it will redirect to that page. Fine, and this is the heading, that is this is main page as we have given here on the PHP file. Now let's see PHP require example. So PHP require is also similar to include. Let's see a simple PHP require example. So first we have to make a file for links. Okay, menu.html. okay, so these are the links. These are the previous link as we created in the previous example. Now let's save this with menu1.html. now let's create a PHP file. So PHP require, inside that menu1.html and end tag, and let's give a heading here h1 tag, this is main page. Okay, this is main page, and end tag. Okay, now let's save this and require one.php. Now let's run this. Localhost / require one.php. Okay, so same result, just there's a small difference between require and include, is that require is identical except upon failure. Okay, it will produce error in case we don't have HTML file, but include only emits a warning which allows the script to continue. So this was about include and require in PHP.